You earn 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, maybe even 1 lakh rupees a month.
But by the 20th, you're broke. Not because you don't earn enough, but because your money is silently slipping away. Want to reset? Let's do it together. We don't go broke all at once. We go broke 10 rupees at a time. 50 rupees on a quick snack. 99 rupees on a monthly subscription you forgot. 5 rupees tips on every UPI transaction. 399 rupees online for something you didn't need. It's called death by 1,000 cuts. And we're all guilty of it. In fact, just 100 rupees of careless spending per day adds up to 36,500 rupees a year. That's your emergency fund, or a trip, or your first investment. In our last video, I introduced the 1 rupee rule. If you can't explain why you are spending that 1 rupee, don't spend the 100 rupees. But awareness isn't enough. Today, I'll walk you through a complete money reset plan. We don't just spend money, we spend emotion. You are tired. You feel you deserve that online order. You see others flaunting gadgets and vacations, and FOMO kicks in. This is how financial anxiety grows. Not because of poverty, but because of poor patterns. So how do you break the cycle? With a plan so simple, it's hard not to follow. Option A, the Indian 3-envelope method, ideal if you use both UPI and cash. Label 3 envelopes, digital or physical. Check mark essentials, rent, groceries, bills. Check mark spending, eating out, shopping, weekend fun. Check mark savings, emergency fund, SIPs, travel goals. Transfer only what's needed into each. Once the envelope is empty, you stop. No excuses. No top-ups.
Option B, the Indian 50-30-20 rule, if most expenses are digital.
50% needs, rent, food, utilities. 30% wants, Zomato, Netflix, Amazon. 20% savings, mutual funds, RD, emergency fund. Don't want an app? Just set up 3 bank accounts or use apps like Jupiter, Fi, or even a Google Sheet. Want to test this? Here's your 15-day no impulse spend challenge. Track every rupee for 15 days. Weekly review. What surprised you most? You'll realize you're not broke. You were just blind to your own spending patterns. You don't need to earn more to build wealth. You need to manage better.
Comment below with the biggest expense trap you've fallen into. Swiggy? Subscriptions? EMI culture? And if you are serious about this reset, just type reset in the comments. I read everyone.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll break down the lazy investor starter plan, even if you know nothing about investing.